Hi friends, welcome to D'Souza's Kitchen. Today I show you how to make crepes Bafat. So let's start. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Here I have with me thick coconut milk and thin coconut milk. I have made this coconut milk using 1.5 medium size coconut. Here I have with me medium sized tomato chopped fine, small piece of ginger chopped fine, 2 cloves of garlic chopped fine, 4 green chilies which I have slit, 3 medium sized onion chopped fine. Fifteen pieces of dry red chilies. I am using button chilies. Half teaspoon jeera cumin seeds. Half teaspoon haldi powder turmeric. 2 tablespoons coriander seeds. 1 small size of ginger. 6 cloves of garlic. 2 sticks of cinnamon. 15 pieces of peppercorns. 6 pieces of cloves. 2 tablespoons tamarind water. You can use more if you want more. 7 medium size of crepes which I have cut into half. I have cleaned and washed it. 2 tablespoons of oil and salt as per your taste. Let's add these ingredients in the mixer. Add little water and we'll grind this into a fine paste. Our grounded masala is ready. Here I have pan with 2 tablespoons of oil. We'll add onion and tomatoes. Now we will saute it till it becomes nice translucent. Onion and tomato is done. Now let's add the ginger, garlic and chili. Saute it for a minute. Now we'll add a crepes. Mix well. Now we'll add a masala. Again mix well. Now we'll add a thin coconut milk. Add salt as per your taste. Mix well. Now we'll cook this for 5 minutes on medium flame. Now we'll add a thick coconut milk and tamarind water. Mix it well. And now we'll cook it for another 10 minutes. Our crab Bafat is done. Let's plate it up. Our Goan style crab Bafat is ready. Please do try it at home and let me know how is it. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.